What if your next adventure didn't have to end when the sun goes down? What if your camera could actually light the way? Meet the GoPro Lit Hero, an ultra-compact action camera that's rewriting what's possible after dark. And right now, it's at its lowest price ever on Amazon. GoPro's newest lightweight powerhouse is taking center stage with a rare $40 discount. It may be tiny, but it packs a feature that most action cameras don't even attempt: a built-in LED light designed to keep your footage crisp long past sunset. This isn't just a convenience feature. The Lit Hero's integrated LED offers 3 brightness levels, giving its 1/2 2.8-inch sensor the boost it needs to capture real detail in near darkness. Whether you're exploring night markets, hitting late evening trails, or filming creative low-light shots, this camera doesn't just record the moment, it illuminates it. And because it's built for daily carry, the Lit Hero stays incredibly compact, just 56.6 by 48.4 by 29.45 millimeters, and only 93 grams. That's lighter than most power banks. Slip it in your pocket, mount it anywhere, or carry it unobtrusively on the go. This is minimalism without compromise. Inside, you'll find streamlined but reliable imaging specs: 12-megapixel JPEG photos and 8-bit video recorded in H.265 or H.264 at up to 60 megabits per second. The battery is built in to maintain its tiny footprint, and while it's not swappable, GoPro has clearly optimized the Lit Hero for versatility rather than bulk. Of course, GoPro didn't leave out its signature HyperSmooth stabilization. Whether you're sprinting, biking, or filming handheld, shaky footage becomes noticeably smoother. And when you're done shooting, the Lit Hero can automatically upload your videos, both 16:9 and vertical 9:16, straight to the cloud when paired with your phone. It's compatible with nearly every GoPro mount you already know: helmet mounts, chest straps, clamps, tripods, you name it. Plus, it's waterproof down to 4.9 meters, or about 16 feet, making it ready for rain, splashes, and shallow underwater shots. And with Amazon's current deal bringing the camera down from $269.99, the Lit Hero has never been more accessible. If you've been searching for a compact, low-light-ready action cam that's built for real-world carry, this is the moment to pick one up. From spontaneous night adventures to creative low-light filmmaking, the GoPro Lit Hero proves that the dark isn't a limitation, it's an opportunity. Check out the link below, explore the deal, and light up your next adventure.